If you've experienced so much darkness and pain in your life, where it's one trauma or one, suffering or one event after another, and you're like thinking, wow, there's just so much darkness in the world. And even with that happening, you feel like you're an outsider, you don't fit in. You're kind of like the black sheep of your family, to where you're like just different. Or even with all of that happening, it doesn't matter. It has not shut off your light and your heart, and you still want to love, and you still want to help, and you still have that purity within you. That's because you are a light worker. And as a light worker, you were never here to fit in, to blend in. You're here to stand out, to change the world, because you have a gift that's deep within you. And as you protect your light, as you honor it, as you realize, yes, the world may be dark, but it doesn't matter, because your light and the reason why you're here is to bring more light into the world. And that the light within you is a solution to the darkness around you. You are the solution. And that light comes from your heart. And when it's wide open, there's nobody you can't help, love, reach, and impact. When you realize that, then you realize that it's a second part of your story, that you're owning the story and the journey of a light worker.